In our recent video when we replaced the transmission fluid, I removed the splash cover, the cover that's underneath the engine, and we saw that it was dirty, so we wanted to replace it. We ordered this one on Amazon, and there's quite a bit of a difference. So here's our OEM underneath engine cover, and I want you guys to notice some stuff. First, we have some padding right here, which could just be regular padding, which is fine, but when we look at this part, there's a dedicated vent. And from the other cars that I've had, usually they do this on purpose. As you can see, there's kind of like a air channel diverter right here. And then this part is empty. And of course, these little parts right here are designed to hook on, but then the rest of it's pretty straightforward. Now, when we look at the aftermarket one, the only thing that I'm worried about is that dedicated air vent spot isn't there. There's like these three little parts for service. Something that I also notice is that, there's multiple vents around here, which is nice, but they really don't match up with the openings of the Ford Focus ST, the 2013 one. Now, I'm thinking this was designed for all Ford Focuses, regular ones and STs. Even though this is really dirty, and that's why I bought this. This is also heavier. I would say it's about twice or three times as heavier as this, which is not a big deal. But the reason why I'm not going to put this on is because of this dedicated vent, and because a lot of the vents, like this padding and then you have vent here, a lot of things aren't matching up. And for me, if everything looked the same, this is better construction. It seems more durable, more intense. If everything was the same, I would put it on. But since the design doesn't match up, I'm kind of hesitant to put it on, if that makes sense.